All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me out their water bottle. This is not typically just a regular water bottle. It has your ounces, milliliters, all the information on this side. Little sticker there at the bottom. But then this side has some motivation. So start good morning, 9 a.m., do it for yourself. 11 a.m., keep trying. 1 p.m., drink more. 3 p.m., replenish energy. 5 p.m., don't give up. 7 p.m., almost there. 9 p.m., yeah, you did it. That's pretty cool. The top looks like it just pops right up. And then you've got a straw down in there, or of course, you could just turn it up without the straw and drink it. Let's take it apart and see what all we have down in here. So that's the top, and that locks pretty good. You gotta really open that. And like I said, you could just turn up and drink it. That is the little included straw. Looks like this part kind of goes right into here and makes it a little more secure for you. And, oh wow, is this a carrying case? Oh, it is. Look at this. This is like a bottle cleaner. A little strap to hold your carrying case. And then, yeah, your actual bottle can go down in this. Wow. And this has a spot for your cell phone. These two clips just go on each side. Is there anything? This is all in Chinese. But again, special thanks to that company for sending it to me. I think that's really it for the unboxing. Pretty nice. It comes with this whole carrying pouch. But in the end, you fill it with your water and can drink up all day. And this holds 70 ounces of water. That'll do it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.